Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the light button right here and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So keep holding it. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds, I believe. Okay, once the screen turns off, keep holding it for a couple more seconds and then release the button. And at this point, your watch should be turned off. As you can see, it's turned off. And now we can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again. And once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system, like this. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.